Let's take a minute and look outside at the outdoor learning space that I have set up. So first off, a nice little table that's stable and easy for the kids to work at with maybe just one small activity or sensory bin. There's a lot of things you can do, art, etc. We use that a lot. I have recently got this water table. I just ordered it off of Amazon. It's kind of nice and simple. It's been kind of nice on the hot summer days, and I liked this one because the water can trickle down from above, and they just seem to have a pretty good time with that. They can all fit around it. One thing that's nice to have is some type of little playhouse where they can come in and have some role-playing type of play. This one's nice because you can see inside of it really well, and then it's not going to get hot in there. It's not my favorite because it kind of catches water in that. You're going to want to have some kind of climbing activity. The kids just love to climb. They love to get up on stuff. Slides are really great too. I like this one I have because it's just the perfect size. It's not made of wood or anything, so we're not going to have to worry about splinters. And then it's low enough that if they fall from up there, it's not going to be like, it cause any really bad injuries or anything. And then a must-have is the sandbox. Our biggest challenge with the sandbox is just teaching them to keep the sand in the box because they just love relocating the sand. And it's just the funnest thing for them to fill a full bucket up and then take it somewhere and dump the whole thing out. But as you can see, my yard is really small. This is military housing. We just have this little mini backyard, but it's actually just enough. I can see all the kids all at once, and then I've been able to reserve enough space over in the corner that is for them to run and play. We have balls in the bin I can bring out. I've got little picnic food and things like that, and then a whole bunch of bugs and lizards and stuff that they can bury in the sand, and then also the sand tools are really important to have. So there you go, my simple, easy outdoor space.